Hello Year 1, it's Mrs Maynard here with the Year 1 science lesson. Previously in our science lessons we've been looking at garden and wild plants, and hopefully you've learnt the names of lots of them. In our lesson today we are going to be thinking about the parts of a plant. Now take a moment to pause the video. Can you think of all the different parts on a plant? Take a look at this diagram. Did you manage to name all the different parts? Let's look at each one together. Right, so my dad actually gave me this plant, and he tells me that if I look after it, water it every day, make sure it gets lots of sun, it will actually grow into a little tree. But at the moment it's only a very small plant. So let's have a look at some of the parts of it. What can we see? That's right, on the top here we've got the large flat green leaves. And what are the leaves attached to? Yep, there's the stem, the stem of the plant. And what's holding the stem into the soil? I'm very careful and very gentle, like pull my plant out. What can you see? It's been tucked away in the soil. Yes. They are the roots of the plant. I'm going to tuck it back in there and hope that it still grows. You might have noticed that that little plant was missing something. That's right. Didn't have a flower on it yet, did it? So, I've got some beautiful flowers here. They smell really lovely. In fact, these are some flowers I got for Christmas and they're still going strong now. If we have a look carefully, we can see the flower, and then if we look really carefully, I can take off this part of the flower. What's this part of the flower called, boys and girls? Yep, that's the petal of the flower. And inside the flower, if we look carefully, I open it up, you will see that's where the pollen and sometimes the seeds will be. If we look down here onto the stem of the flower, it's a bit dried up because it's been out of water a little while, but you'll see this. Now who knows what that's called? It's a flower that's not yet opened. Yep, it's called a bud. It's the bud of the plant. It's the bud of the flower, and that's attached to the stem. And we have a long stem with the flowers on the end. Now, there was one part on the diagram that I've not mentioned yet. Do you know what it is? Take another look and see. Did you spot what was missing? Yes, that's right. Some plants can grow their own fruit or even vegetable. They might grow a banana or an apple or even an orange. I wonder if you've grown any of your own fruits and vegetables at home. I would like to set you a challenge. Can you draw your own diagram of a plant? Can you label all the different parts that I have shown you today? We can't wait to see it. Good luck and well done.